Hey girlies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I transformed these crusty ass nails into these, girl. I know, I'm so proud. I was so proud of myself. Okay, so but first I'm going to show you how I had a failed attempt at using the dual forms. I think the dual forms that I have are way too narrow for my fingers. I have very wide fingers, so these were just too narrow, and I hated it, and I ended up taking them off. And then I ended up doing it the method where you apply the polygel to a false nail, and I prefer this method so much better. Now the first thing I did, as you can see here, is I just stuck on the false nails to my fingers. Now my thumb was a completely different nail brand to all the other nails that I had, if you couldn't tell. I then went in with my nail file and I started drilling down the curves of where I had joined each of the nails. Now I'm just cutting them down so that they're all the same size. This step, I don't know why I used scissors. I should have used tweezers for this step. I was just cutting the edges because I wanted a kind of coffin shape. Don't be stupid like me. If you're gonna do it, girl, get yourself some clippers, okay? Okay, girl. It don't even look right. Like, why would you use scissors, bitch? Why scissors? Anyways, after I cut those down, this is what they look like. I then began filing, and girl, it was so hard for me to stay in shot when I was doing this, so I kind of had to trim half of it off. So I'm sorry I didn't get to film the filing process. But this is what it looked like when I finished shaping them. Not bad, not bad. I then applied the base coat to my nails, because this will allow the polygel to have something to stick to. I cured that for 60 seconds. Now I'm just applying the polygel to my fingers. Now this, if you watch my previous video, you would know that the polygel that I'm using I purchased from Wish, and it's also quite a sticky product, but you can work with it. You can yeah. So now I'm just going in again. I'm just smoothing it out, trying to make it as smooth as possible. And then I do the same thing to all of my fingers. I cured that for 4 minutes, and now I'm rubbing off the sticky layer with rubbing alcohol. I filed down the nails, and this was the finished look, girl. Not bad, not bad. Oh, I also applied some cuticle oil, which is what I'm actually rubbing in right now. So yeah, I like this. If you like it too, girl, make sure you click that subscribe button. Bye for now.